Welcome to my channel, beautiful people. Beautiful people. I've been wearing this wig for one solid week right now. So after editing the video, it's still on my head and it's about to come off. The only reason why I'm taking it off is because I wanted to try different styles, but it was solid, intact, no shifting or lifting, 100% intact. Does that sound right? Well, okay, so today we're doing this lace frontal. We're going to be melting, slaying, casting out, destroying. Of course, we're not going to destroy this wig. We're just going to make it slay. Obviously, it doesn't look like this at the end. It gets better. It gets better. And we are going to do it in the most natural way possible. Obviously, you can just cut the hair and go this way. It's straight. But we're not doing this way. We're not leaving it this way, are we? We're just going to make it work. This video is very detailed in the application process. So you can follow me on Instagram if you want to watch a quick 1-minute video about the makeup itself. At the moment, I am measuring my head so I can apply the band to the wig cap. My head measures 10.5 inches and I'm cutting the band to 8 inches. I've taken away 2.5 inches from the original measurement because the band is elastic. So that's the extreme tightness actually. So you can reduce it to 1 inch or 2 inches, but extreme will be 2.5 inches from your head measurement. Now I'm applying the band in an angle. I can show you more detailed video next time. If you're interested, comment down below, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. I'm still getting new to this, by the way. So let's get straight into it. The wig came pre-plucked, but I am plucking it some more so the hairline is more natural. I'm not going to over pluck it because like you can see from the beginning, it's already pre-plucked and I'm just disturbing what's already been plucked because there's a line, there's a sharp like straight line. So I'm just disturbing the areas so that I'm just taking it randomly. So I'm not plucking again, I'm only disturbing. I'm plucking because I'm disturbing the line. You'd see in a comparison view right now, as you can see, the pre-plucked on there and the plucked is on the other side. What I've just plucked is on the other side. So hopefully that makes sense, or you can see the difference in what I've done. I'm just applying the famous Got2b glue spray. This is just so that I can melt the cap to my hairline. Now at the moment, it's not the only product I'll be using. I'll use another product, which is the other Got2b glue, the gel itself. But this is the first step so that I can cut out the excess wig cap. Obviously, you don't want your wig to be starting at that point. So we're going to be removing the wig cap and just cutting around the hairline. But you have to be careful here though. You don't want to cut off your skin. So please guys, I hope you'll be careful. Do not try this at home. Straighten out the wig cap because obviously it's rolled back from where I've cut it. Applying my foundation so it matches my hairline, because obviously today I'll be using that foundation as my makeup foundation. So I'm using the same foundation on my hairline as well as on my wig cap. You'll see in a minute. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation is high coverage, and it covers really well. The trick with this is that you have to set it with powder, obviously, otherwise the foundation will set, but it might set a little bit darker than you expect. I'm just cleaning the excess foundation around my hairline, and now I'm applying the second product, which is the Got2b glue gel. This is a white gel. Now you have to apply as many of these products as possible and as wide as you can, in order for you to have the longest hold. You can put a tiny bit, but the wider it is, the longer lasting the hold on the wig will be. Like I said, I've been wearing it 1 week straight without even touching or retouching or even adding more gel or spray to it to keep it there. I've only just been tying my hair at night with a scarf, sleeping, waking up, and that's it. Having my bath, and it wouldn't lift a bit. So this is the reason why, because I've made the Got2b glue wider than normal. Here I'm applying a wrapping mousse. Make sure it's a non-alcoholic wrapping mousse, otherwise your lace will lift if there's alcohol in it, because alcohol is cleansing. It has particles in it that will shift your glue. Now this is the melting. Let us melt this lace. You will see some white particles here. I had to put this in because I know a lot of YouTubers are cutting this out, and this is for real. This is a real struggle. When you use the white glue will leave some residue like this, and the reason is because it's not dry enough. There's no other reason than that. So if you have time, you can wait or sit under the dryer for as long as possible until it gets really dry. But the reason why that comes is because it's not dry enough. So what I've done is I've used baby wipes, that's it, baby wipes, to just cleanse out the excess white bit that's not getting dry. I'm pressing it in to suck up the excess moisture, and then setting it with my powder is what I've done there. So now that it's fully dried, I am disturbing the hairline again and just combing it out. Now here is a trick. The hair is a little bit small and flat for the style I want to achieve. So now I'm going in to the roots of the hair, not the ends, but the roots of the hair, and spraying some holding spray. You can use holding spray or you can use Got2b glue spray as well. It doesn't matter. But as long as it's on holding spray, it kind of like gives it a freeze in the roots, and that's why I wanted some volume in the roots. So I'm just curling my hair, and I'm just gonna do my makeup and finish off my makeup and show you the results. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below if there's anything that you see that you liked in this video or you don't even like in this video. All comments are welcome.